call me Notes, huh? I said they call me Notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh? They call me Notes. What up, family? Welcome to Sneaker Notes. We back. Shout to all the viewership out there, man. I appreciate y'all. If you haven't heard about this channel, this is where we ultimately talk about sneakers. I get them early, we review them early. I make sure I get them before the day or the day of. Get in front of this camera, review them real fast for y'all. We also do the streetwear. Shout out to Supreme. Today is a first. I mean, of course you read the title, so you know what it's about. But this is the first time on Sneaker Notes I'm viewing a sneaker that isn't a Jordan, that isn't an off-white hyper beast, that isn't even a Foamposite. It's Nike, but it's not Jordan or OVO or things of that nature. It's just a regular Nike. First ever for Sneaker Notes. But before we get into that, you already know how we do. We gotta see what's on foot. So this right here is where you, the viewer, tells everyone else who's watching the video what you got on foot the day you're watching this video. Just go right down there in that little comment section below and type what you got on foot. Today, I got on the back-to-back championship, shout out to Chicago. Check it out.
Jumpin', them boys up to something. They just spent like 2 or 3 weeks out the country. Them boys up to something, they just not just bluffing.
Yeah, those right there are the homage to home unnumbered pair. Only reason I went with the unnumbered pair is because the numbered pair, if y'all remember, was going for like $700 to $800, and the quality is the same. These joints right here, the quality is crazy. Crazy tumble leather, as you can see. A lot of people thought they look like Scarface. Then you got some people who think they was clown shoes. I think they dope, man. Homage to home, and representing Chicago to the fullest. So shout out to the Jordan brand for that. Now, without further ado, I give you the Kyrie Lucky Charms. Unboxing time. Notes. They call me Notes, huh? I said they call me Notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and size 10.5. So you know what it mean. They belong to me. But I ain't keeping them. I got them for y'all, man. I got the 10.5 because I thought maybe when they come, I'll flip open the lid and like, yeah, you know what, I'm going to keep these. But they not for me. If I'd have got that exclusive cereal pack, check it out. So yeah, Kyrie went hard with that. You got the kicks, you got the Lucky Charms, and you got the what was the other one? The Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That's dope, man. If I'd have got that box, I was too lazy to get up and look for the Nike Smash and go get those. But if I'd have got that box, I probably would have kept on it. It'll look good up here, just sitting there. So I'd have got it for that. But those that weren't lucky got the regular Kyrie box. And this box is dope. It just ain't a cereal box. Let's check them out. So, regular white paper. Let's get into the shoe. Now, this ain't a bad shoe, man. It's just not for me. As you can see, well, let's go into the shoe. As you can see right there, you got all your Lucky Charm marshmallows. Got the heart, the rainbow, the unicorn, of course the clover, and then that swoosh is hitting. Every Lucky Charm color got that swoosh in it. That's super dope. Now you flip open to the tongue. Lucky Charms. And then the sneaker is like a I don't know, I want to say infrared, pinkish vibe to it. That swoosh is dope, man. For a grade school kid or say a young kid that play basketball, this is real dope. You got the rainbow at the bottom again. And then your sides got a little bit of the accents of the colors from the Lucky Charms. And this is the left side. The right side, a little different. You got more yellow accent on that bottom. Still with the dope Nike swoosh. And instead of saying Lucky Charm on the right tongue, they got your Kyrie Irving's logo. So you got your lime green here on your right side, and on your left side, you got your light blue. Yeah, man, so shout out to Kyrie first of all, because he's one of the Nike athletes not named Kobe, not named LeBron, that sells, man. His sneakers sell. KD joints be sitting. Shout out to KD though. Paul George joints be sitting. Paul George ain't coming to Lakers, so there's no love for Paul George on this channel no more. Anyway, shout out to them PlayStation joints he dropped though. Those was dope. I'm just kidding. He ain't have to come to the Lakers. We got LeBron. And these Kyrie joints was dope. Out of the other ones, the kicks, the I keep forgetting, the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. These were the best ones. They even came with the shirts. Came out with the shirts, $35. Nike went hard for Kyrie with this. Like I told you, I wish I would have got the cereal box, but I got the regular joint, so I'm actually going to sell these. Maybe, I don't know, because this is a dope sneaker, man. Maybe I go play some Utah or some one-on-one outside or something in these. These are definitely dope, man. If you got kids or you know, your young sons or little brothers playing basketball, this is a great sneaker for them, man, to show off with on the court. So, rating time. Out of 10, as far as the design, as far as the whole presentation, I'm giving these a 9. Only because they unwearable for me. But these are a dope shoe. If you're looking to get these, man, don't hesitate. The Kyrie Lucky Charms is a good sneaker. I seen the resale. StockX is like 200. The Gold, Flight Club, all that other stuff is like 250. These resell at only $120, man. Shout out to Kyrie Irving for that, man, making affordable sneakers. Yo, shout you out, Kyrie, man. You did good on these. So again, these are your Kyrie Lucky Charms. First ever on Sneaker Notes, a review of a sneaker. A review of a sneaker that's not a Jordan or OVO or Off-White or Foamposite or Yeezy or Pharrell. First ever, Kyrie's Lucky Charms, man. So on that note, I'm C Notes. Thanks for checking in on Sneaker Notes. Much more to come, man. Actually, I got another non-Hypebeast sneakers review coming real soon. Lucky Charms, man. Get rich.
Get rich.